In Nogales, Arizona, the wearing of suspenders is prohibited by city ordinance. Women can be fined up to $500, men up to $2,000. This law is from Nogales, Arizona. I wonder if someone's brother owned a belt factory nearby. If so, this could be an early form of crony capitalism. It only takes common sense to recognize this law as a political business venture for low-life greed for people too weak to have the proper business competition. The establishment of this law just goes to show the stupidity and ignorance of religious U.S. American society. I will try my best to make these laws sound as despicably stupid as possible. My name is Vincent Dunlap, and I am reporting the most stupid and dumb laws in the United States, allegedly, accused but not proven, questionably true. Please respond with your comments, updates, and or sensible criticism, including if I've missed anything. Please like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy your night.